Hey guys, quick video today on what to use to disinfect your Cisco wireless equipment here, specifically the access points. We've been getting a ton of questions recently around what do I use to disinfect these things. One of my colleagues just did a video on disinfecting Cisco collaboration equipment, so that's phones and video touch panels devices. But today we're going to talk about those Cisco access points. And Cisco just released this document that I'll provide a link to in the description of this video. And basically in here it talks about cleaning AeroNet and Catalyst access points. Now, those are basically the access points that Cisco's had around forever. So if you've got a Cisco access point, it's safe to use what we talk about in this video here. So the product that Cisco has tested and the product that I've heard about, over the last 10 years or so is a product called Spore Cleanse. And there's a link here in this document as far as the company that makes it, where you can purchase it and everything. So if you want, click that link and you can buy it right from the manufacturer there. Cisco has tested this. Clean rooms in hospitals, they've tested this and it works fine. Does not degrade the plastic or anything. We haven't seen any issues with this. It can be bought in a liquid or a wipe form. And you can either, use the wipes, you could spray this on a cloth and wipe the access point down, or gently mist the access point and spray the product directly to the access point. If you're going to do that, just watch out if there's any ventilation holes or where the Cat 5, Cat 6 cable plugs into, any holes that this stuff might seep into electronics. You definitely don't want to do that. The other product that we've done some testing on is just regular Clorox wipes. So apparently these are okay and these are safe to use as well. So those are the two products that Cisco has kind of tested, and we've heard from our customers that these work well. But later on in this document too, there is a note at the end that says these are the two we've tested, but other disinfectant products may also be used, but just watch out when you're using them. Maybe grab an access point, test it, make sure it doesn't degrade the plastic or change the plastic color if you guys are worried about that. But really, that's it, guys. Just wanted to get this word out because, again, we were getting a lot of questions as far as what to use to disinfect these products. And please, guys, if you have any questions, just leave a note in the video comments here, and we'll try to get back to you. Thanks a lot.